Good morning, children. Welcome back with the next new session. So, in this session, we are going to discuss the question and answers part from the lesson number 9, Public Health and the Government from 8th Standard Textbook. So, I'll be reading the question and answers one by one and let you know the meaning of these. So, here I can see there are 7 question and answers from this lesson. So, I'll be reading them. Okay. So, let's start with the first question. Correct the false statements. Correct the false statements. So some statements are given, you have to correct them. Okay. So first statement, most rural areas have trained doctors. Most rural areas have trained doctors. Then there are more facilities in hospitals of private sector than the public sector. There are more facilities in hospitals of private sector than in public sector. Then nutritious food help in improving the health conditions. Nutritious food helps in improving the health scenario. Okay. Then last one, some doctors may involve in unnecessary treatment to make money. Some doctors may involve in unnecessary treatment to make money. So you have to read these statements and understand it, and you have to correct the false statement. Okay. Then second question, Jayamma uses the following. Which of these will you include to the basic public facilities? That means in the government facilities, what are important, what facilities are important. So Jayamma is a person who is using some facilities. So I'll be reading what they are. Okay. So first one, driving scooter to school. First one. Second one, sends her child to Anganwadi. Second one. Third one, owns a television set. Then fourth one, has a mobile phone. Fifth one, sends letter by post office. So what are the public services? That means what are the government is providing services? You have to write that Jayamma is using these services. Okay. Then third question, identify the sentences in this chapter that agree about the role of the government in providing public health. Okay. Identify the sentences in this chapter that agree about the role of government in providing public health. So what are the services that government is providing for the people who are living in the country? You have to identify which are the services are listed in this lesson. You have to write about them. Okay. Then fourth question, discuss which among the following measures will you consider as instance or not an instance of improving the healthcare. Write down why do you think so. Okay. So what they are asking is, discuss which among the following measures will you consider. So there are some statements are given again. So you have to understand which one is better one. Okay. So is it improving? Is it helping to improve the health conditions of the people or not? So you have to write down what it is. Okay. So first statement is given is, TB patients are given free medicines. TB patients are given free medicine. So TB patients are given free medicine. Then second one, in some villages clean drinking water facilities are arranged. In some villages clean drinking water facilities are arranged. Next, third statement, shopkeepers selling medicines for cold, fever, headache, etc. Shopkeepers selling medicines for cold, fever, headaches, etc. The government provides food grains in fair prices. The government provides food grains in fair prices. That means at a low cost. So you have to understand the following measures will consider whether it is considered that helps in improving the health of the people or not. You have to understand and you have to write about it. Okay. Then fifth question, Priyam Vada runs a public hospital. This has more facilities than that are available in the government hospital. Satyanarayana works as a government doctor in a mandal. Can you write an imaginary dialogue between them about access to health services? So Priyam Vada is a person, he runs a private hospital, whereas Satyanarayana is a person who is a government doctor. So you have to write an imaginary dialogues that they are discussing with each other. So you have to write about it, just an imaginary dialogue. So whatever you want you can write, like discussing the two people are discussing, you have to write about it, whereas one is running a public private hospital and the other is a government doctor. You have to write about them. Then sixth question, health is not limited to providing medicines. In this chapter there are other aspects of health that are mentioned, like clean water, etc. Bring them together and write a paragraph about such aspects. So what they are asking is, health is not only about providing medicines. Okay, so other concept is also been mentioned in this lesson, that is about providing clean water facility. So you have to write a paragraph on clean water facility or clean water drinking. So what it is, you have to write a small paragraph, and that too you can write this answer in your own words. Okay. Last question, seventh question. Following figures shows how people get money for hospitalization in Andhra Pradesh. Nearly 65% of the people below poverty line have to borrow money. Identify this in this chart and mark the percentage. Those above poverty line spend 45% of hospitalization expenditure from their savings. Identify this in the chart and mark the percentage. Those above poverty line borrow only 35%. Identify this in a chart and mark the percentage. Can you also roughly estimate the share of other means through which people meet their hospitalization expenses in the chart below? So children, you just have to understand to what percentage the hospitalization is being developed in Andhra Pradesh. Okay, so you have to make a chart and you have to write the percentage of it. Okay, I'll show you a sample of it so that you can understand what you have to do. So this is an pie chart. Okay, so this is a pie chart to the amount of share you have to write. Okay, to what amount of percentage hospitalization in Andhra Pradesh has been developed. Okay, so on. There are some other aspects also that are mentioned in this. Okay, so I'll be sending you the answer for this. You just have to draw it and mention it very clearly. So the eighth question. Conduct a survey on government welfare schemes on health. List the beneficiaries in your area. Conduct a survey on government health schemes on health. List the beneficiaries in your area. So you have to just conduct a survey. Survey means just collecting the information. You have to collect the information that the government has provided health services in your area. Okay, so that has also benefited the people who are living in your area. So you have to write about it. Then this can be written in your own words. The ninth question. To know about the prevention of contagious diseases, what questions do you ask your reasons health worker to know about the prevention of contagious diseases? So what are the contagious diseases? That means which easily spread from one person to another. For example, in such a pandemic situation of COVID, so you can ask your health inspector or health worker. So what are the prevention measures? That means that helps us from that helps us from attacking from disease. That means like how can we take care of ourselves so that the disease will not affect us or the disease will not harm us. What are the measures that we people can take? So you can write about it. You can take an example of any contagious diseases. Okay, so contagious diseases means diseases which spreads easily from one person to another. Then last question, 10th question. What type of services would be rendered by 108 during emergencies? What type of services would be rendered by 108 during emergencies? So you have to even this answer can be written in your own words. So they are asking what are the these people are providing services. That means 108 is an ambulance. So what is the services they are providing? So how you are contacting them? So you have to write about it and you have to write how they are providing their services well. So in this lesson there are 10 question and answers. Okay, so I hope you understood these 10 question and answers well.